Today's topic is about building wealth. This investment could make you rich. If you want to build wealth, we're going to give you some tips and show you an investment that could double your money each year with low risk. Sounds too good to be true? Read the facts and decide for yourself. 1. If you want to build wealth, then you need to do it for yourself. No fund or asset manager is going to make you rich. If they could, they would not need clients like you. They would do it for themselves. The reality is you can do it for yourself, and it's a lot simpler than you think. 2. Get your money working for you. You want to build wealth, and you want to build wealth quickly. This means building your money up by taking advantage of compound growth. You need a high-return, low-risk investment. 3. Balancing the reward and risk. You don't want the biggest gain, you want the best gain to downside volatility. Let's look at an example. If you have $30,000 and you make 100% annually, you have $60,000. Make 100% again and you have $120,000. Now let's take a bigger gain of 250% growth, but 1 year is a loss. In the first year you lose 50%, that's $15,000, but you then make 200%, that's $60,000. It's a bigger gain over 2 years, but you're $60,000 worse off. When you invest, you want to compound your money and make your money do the work of making more money, and this means not aiming for the biggest growth, but the best growth you can with low downside risk. 4. What investment is easy and can make me wealthy? There are plenty to choose from if you want to build wealth for yourself, and they include stocks, futures, options, and currencies, but the risk-reward is not there. You can get huge gains, but the risk of losing is high. Let's face it, the majority of investors lose in financial markets. A good solid investment is always property, and you can make triple-digit gains annually, but perhaps the best investment of all is land. It's cheap and easy to make money from. If you have never thought of investing in land because you thought it was too complicated or expensive, think again, it isn't. Many investors with no previous experience are making 100 to 200% annual profits with low risk. Why is it such a good investment? It's not just the upside potential, it's the fact that it tends to lack downside risk. If you buy in booming emerging economies, prime land tends to be cheap, have high growth rates, and little or no downside. 5. Where to invest to make serious wealth. Just 3 hours from the US is a country where prime land is increasing and in value by 100% annually, and investors are getting rich. The investment is easy to do, you only need common sense, and it's very tax efficient. There is not enough room to cover all the benefits of building wealth quickly with Costa Rica land, but if you want to make money quickly, there is no better investment to achieve this.